Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix smartwatches or fitness bands not connecting to your phone.
Fix 1. Restart both devices. Step 1. Turn off your smartwatch or fitness band. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Turn your watch back on and try connecting again. Fix 2. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Step 1. Go to your phone's settings, Bluetooth. Step 2. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Try reconnecting your device again. Fix 3. Forget and repair the device. Step 1. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone. Step 2. Find your smartwatch or band and tap Forget/Unpair. Step 3. Reopen the smartwatch app like Galaxy Wearable, Fitbit, etc. and set up the device again. Fix 4. Update the app and firmware. Step 1. Open Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Update your smartwatch app, e.g. Galaxy Wearable, Fitbit. Step 3. Check your watch's settings for any firmware updates and install them. Fix 5. Reset the smartwatch or band. Step 1. On your smartwatch, go to Settings, General, Reset, or Factory Reset. Step 2. Confirm the reset. Step 3. Set it up again from the start using the official app. Fix 6. Check app permissions. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, your watch app, Permissions. Step 2. Make sure Bluetooth, location, and nearby devices are allowed. Step 3. Try pairing again.